हो हो, अगदी व्यवस्थित आठवत आहे. In 95 when he passed away, it was a huge shock to us. So for about the first year, we were really recovering from that shock.
He was our main counselor. Anything that happened, the phone call first used to go to him for advice. And even now, I'm sure my brother will agree. Something happens, we always ask each other, what do you think Anna would have said about this one?
Moms can help in a certain way to nurture you, but what dad does, that lot of times in society goes unaccounted for. Always dad is considered to be very strict, but I must say my dad was different.
A small village Aundh, nested on the edge of deep green nature and the mountains of Satara district, where Dr. T.R. Ingray grew up. This place is 200 kilometers away from Pune. Dr. T.R. Ingray was born in a religious family of Rangnath and Sitabai Ingray. He was the eldest son among the 9 siblings. His father Rangnath was a priest of Kedareshwar temple, which was given by King of Aundh, Raje Bhawanrao Pant.
6 भाऊ आणि 3 बहिणी. तर आम्ही 6 त्यांचं सगळ्यांचं एवढे मोठं करणं म्हणजे वडील काय त्या संसारामध्ये नुसते क्लार्क म्हणून टायपिस्ट म्हणून होते. किती त्यांना पगार मिळणार आहे कसं तरी भागत होतं.
Patient, hardworking and calm, Trambak was a brilliant student of the school Shri Yamai Srinivas Vidyalaya, Aundh.
केदारलिकाचं काय होतं, औंधकरांनी 18 खोल्या बांधल्या तर रेसिडेन्सी म्हणून मुलांना शिकण्याला राहायला जागा, आणि त्या नॉर्मली फ्री किंवा असं दिलेलं असायच्या खेड्यातल्या मुलांना. तर हा तिकडं गेल्यानंतर तिथली मुलं याच्या वर्गात असायची काही, त्यांना जर का काही विषय समजले नाहीत तर हा तिथं शिकवत बसायचा. म्हणून मग आम्हाला 11-11:30 नंतर काम असायचं, त्याला उरकून घेऊन यायचं.
During that time, when qualifying exams were in itself a great achievement, young Trambak scored 73.2% in matric. The king of Aundh Sansthan, visionary Raje Bhawanrao Pant, recognized his potential and advised Rangnath and Sitabai to send him to Pune at SP College for higher studies.
औंधकरांची हिस्टरी पुण्यामध्ये आहे. त्या ठिकाणी वडिलांची बदली केली आणि ती बदली झाल्यामुळे ह्याला फायदा झाला. औंधकरांची इस्टेट ही अर्का चौकीच्या समोर आहे, पंतांचा गोड म्हणून आहे, ते एस पी कॉलेजच्या त्यामध्ये जवळ. त्यामुळं अण्णाला एस पी कॉलेजमध्ये शिक्षण द्यायला सोपं गेलं.
Since 1941, his journey towards science began from SP College. Trambak's love for chemistry and mathematics was unparalleled, and so was his love for country. This was substantiated by the incidents of Lathi Charge that took place in 1942 Quit India Movement March, where he was severely injured. Hence, he had to drop out his education for 1 year. Dr. Inglay's devotion to chemistry as well as physics made it a hard decision to choose between the 2 subjects. His professor, Dr. B.V. Bhide, convinced him to choose chemistry. Thus, not only the Department of Chemistry, SP College, but this nation too got a devoted chemistry researcher. This teacher-disciple duo started working on carbohydrate isolation and structure establishments. Despite lack of high-tech instruments, they could produce several research articles in highly reputed national and international journals. Thus, a new era of research in carbohydrate chemistry began at SP College, Department of Chemistry. Dr. T.R. Ingray completed his master's in 1948 on the research topic synthesis of 6-hydroxy-3-alkyl chromonizand azodides from sulfa drugs. Further on, he began teaching at SP College and soon became very popular among students because of his passion for research and compassion for students.
केमिस्ट्री आवडायला लागली केवळ त्यांच्या शिकवण्यामुळे. म्हणजे जितकी सोपी करून सांगता येईल केमिस्ट्री तेवढी त्यांनी सांगितली आम्हाला. आणि मग मी पुढे ठरवलं की ह्याच्यातच आपलं करिअर करायचं.
कधी त्यांचं रागवणं नाही, नेहमी हसतमुख असायचे. आणि ज्या आमच्या डिफिकल्टीज असायच्या आता कळतात त्या किरकोळ, पण तेव्हा काही कळायचंच नाही, तर ते सगळं नीट समजावून सांगायचं आम्हाला.
आता मी जातो अमेरिका आणि इकडे तेव्हा जुने त्यांचे सगळे स्टुडंट आम्हाला भेटतात अजून आणि आठवणी काढतो.
He always said it's good to produce the people or the students who can control their life, who knows how not to compromise on their spirit, and those are the real champions of their own life. Don't equate success with the winning. That never happens. Be champion.
His high human values, meticulousness, punctuality, and discipline were appreciated by his students when he left SP College to join CSIR NCL as a senior scientist assistant in February 1955. He awarded his doctorate in 1956 on studies in naturally occurring carbohydrates under the supervision of Dr. B.V. Bhide. With his passion for carbohydrate chemistry, he continued working and contributing, sometimes alone and sometimes with the help of master students, and published around 60 to 70 papers and 3 Indian patents.
He had been involved in a lot of extraction of the carbohydrates, or rather the sugars, individual sugars from various sources, and he, along with Dr. Kulkarni, was his assistant and used to assist him during all his work. I learned plenty of things from him, and being a very simple person and a thorough chemist, he would always insist, carry out the reaction on a larger scale and come to an end wherein you have at least 1 gram of the final compound. He had standardized all these reactions over the years, and he felt working on a larger scale would be quite easier for further purification and carrying out the steps. He used to insist, try to crystallize the material and see whether you get pure, nice crystals. He was very fond of them, and even a sticky, gummy material, he used to turn them into nice crystalline compounds. That was what he taught me.
His talents were recognized by Professor R.L. Whistler, the father of carbohydrate chemistry. They worked together during 1964 to 1966 at Purdue University and published papers in reputed journals like Journal of the American Chemical Society and the Journal of Organic Chemistry, etc. His love and contribution to the carbohydrate chemistry were recognized by Purdue University, and they offered him prestigious membership. It would be appropriate if we call him and Professor B.V. Bhide the pioneers of Indian carbohydrate chemistry. Today, carbohydrate research is one of the most demanding areas of the research. Dr. T.R. Ingle was popularly known as Anna in his family.
तरी अण्णा जरी त्यांना आम्ही म्हटलं तरी ते आम्हाला लहानपणापासून वडिलांसारखेच होते.
एक काम हातात घेतलं की ते पुरं होईपर्यंत त्याचा पिच्छा पुरवायचे आणि काम व्यवस्थित पुरं करायचे.
Many years I knew him. I did not even know that he had a PhD and he had done the postdoctoral research at Purdue, let alone his invention we are celebrating right now, which I didn't know until today, and I think most of the people didn't know that. That is kind of amazing. So that shows his modesty.
He was such a nice friend. म्हणजे अंतर इतकं वयात होतं, पण he used to make everybody so comfortable. सगळ्यांशी बोलायचे. ते म्हणायचे की the family as a whole should progress. म्हणजे कुटुंबामध्ये मी जातोय, तू जातोय असं नाही. तिथे तुम्ही एकत्र असलं पाहिजे.
Yes, as a father, I'm not really sure where we fit him in. Yes, he was a father figure. So sometimes you feel you are under a banyan tree So you sometimes feel that you got the shadow of that banyan tree. We still remember the wrath of our father because we didn't progress. But once I got into medical school, there was no other friend like him.
मी रिसर्च करायला सुरुवात केली होती 96 साली. माझे काही रिसर्च पेपर्स खूप चांगल्या जर्नल्समध्ये पब्लिश झाले होते. फिजिकल रिव्ह्यू लेटर्समध्ये 2 पेपर्स आणि फिजिकल रिव्ह्यू बी मध्ये 4 पेपर्स पब्लिश झाले होते. ताईची माझी जेव्हा भेट झाली त्यावेळेला ताईला मी म्हटलं होतं की हे पेपर्स नेमके पब्लिश झालेत म्हणजे नेमकं काय लेव्हलचं रिसर्च झालेलं आहे हे फक्त त्यांना कळू शकत होतं.
भावांची शिक्षणाची आणि जीवन मार्गी लागण्याची जबाबदारी अण्णासाहेबांनी समर्थपणे निभावली.
For his brothers, always he was, big figure, and his next brother, who was, Deshpande, he was given dattak to the, Aji. He was also very, very much fatherly figure, just like Anna to us. So my father always said, money nobody can give for free. The Deshpande family always made sure that Appa Kaka, we used to call Anna and Appa, he always made sure the money is available. So Anna, you do it, I will be always there to help when it comes to money.
पुलंच्या दामले मास्तरांसारखं आमच्या शाळकरी वयामध्ये अण्णांनी आमच्याकडून केमिस्ट्रीची इक्वेशन्स गिरवून घेतली.
17चा पाढा इंग्लिशमध्ये आणि माझा रात्री 10 वाजता 20 वेळा द्यायला लावला होता आणि तो माझा अजूनही पाठ आहे आणि ते 45 वर्ष की 44 वर्ष झाली असतील.
असं म्हणतात एव्हरी ग्रेट मॅन हॅज अ ग्रेट वुमन बिहाइंड हिम. तसं माझी तरी एक हे आहे की अण्णासाहेबांच्या मागे हिचा सारखा हात असल्यामुळे त्यांची साथ असल्यामुळे त्यांना कार्यात बरेचसं यश, सगळं यश किंवा त्यांच्या कार्यात सहकार्य मिळालं.
अण्णासाहेबांनी आणि ताईने प्रत्येक लग्न कार्यात सगळी मदत केली, सर्व प्रकारची.
त्यांच्याशी प्रत्यक्ष भेटीचा योग मला 1993 साली जेव्हा मी अमेरिकेत आलो तेव्हा मिळाला. त्या वयात सुद्धा अण्णांची चिकित्सक बुद्धी, नवीन गोष्टी शिकायची क्षमता आणि दुसऱ्याला मदत करायची तीव्र इच्छा, ह्या गोष्टी अजूनही मला आठवतात.
He will work 10 to 12 hours every day, even on weekends. He published number of research projects and papers for the university. He was also offered number of jobs in chemical industries in USA. Like companies like Eli Lilly came after him, but he refused all those jobs and he came back to India and started working again in National Chemical Lab. He did a lot of good work after coming to India.
After his retirement, he moved to the USA, where he passed away due to a massive heart attack on June 20th, 1995. Although he spent his last few years in USA, his connection with the Department of Chemistry, SP College, was a strong bond.
इव्हन तो अमेरिकेला गेल्यानंतर सुद्धा मी SP कॉलेजची लॅबोरेटरी मी कशी सुधारेन याकडे त्याचं फार होतं आणि त्या दृष्टीने त्याचे सगळी हे चालू असायचे.
आणि बोलण्यात त्यांच्या नेहमी यायचं की SP-ने आम्हाला इतकं दिलं, मला शिकवलं, तुम्हाला शिकवलं, माझ्या काकांना शिकवलं, तर काहीतरी करता येईल का? की शेवटी काय पैसे कोणाला नको असतात, पण त्या पैशाचा विनियोग कसा करायचा, तो आपल्या मुलांना देतो, सोसायटीला का नाही देता येणार?
His contribution towards the field of science and chemistry will remain immortal. Dr. Ingre's family has been funding research in SP College through Dr. T.R. Ingre and Jyotsna Ingre Research Laboratory.
Professor Date and Professor Bhave both happened to be students of Anna. They were there, and Mukund said, well, can we do something?
And we felt that his memory can only relive by contributing something to the education.
So the lab where he was working, Mukund said, okay, we will donate some money. Can you name that lab as T.R. Ingre Lab and Jyotsna Ingre Lab?
तर SP मध्ये असताना छान वाटायचं की अरे आपण TR इंगळेच्या लॅबमध्ये काम करतोय बरं का. तर म्हणजे अभिमानाने आम्ही तिथे काम करायचं आणि त्यांनी जे शिकवलेलं आहे म्हणजे ज्यांचे जे पेपर्स शिकवलं म्हणजे डिरेक्टली नसलं तरीसुद्धा त्यांचं रिसर्च, टाईप ऑफ रिसर्च करण्याची पद्धत कशी आहे ते हे सगळं आम्ही त्यांचं ते फॉलो केलं.
शिकणे आणि शिकवणे या दोन्ही गोष्टी अण्णांच्या आवडत्या होत्या. म्हणूनच त्यांना SP कॉलेजबद्दल आदर होता, प्रेम होते, माया होती. शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळीने TR इंगळे लॅब चालू करून अण्णांच्या स्मृतीचा मोठा गौरव केला, मोठा सन्मान केला आहे. शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळी, डॉक्टर अळसरे आणि त्यांच्या टीमला मनापासून धन्यवाद.
So I can definitely speak for Jayant, Hemant and my own children. They are very, very connected with the Indian people and India.
His comment on the WhatsApp is, "Dad, I'm so proud to be a part of Ingle family."
With this function, it really created lot more impact on them, how much we care for our own country and own people.
They will most likely be interested, they are interested, and they most likely will contribute.
Department of Chemistry offers the tribute to this legendary scientist and teacher on his 25th death anniversary, and also published a postal stamp to recognize his contribution. Dr. TR Ingle retired as an assistant director of NCL with 186 papers published in India and 36 papers published in the USA in less than 3 years. In SP College Chemistry Department, close to 300 papers have been published by students through TR Ingle and Jyotsna Ingle Research Lab. In addition to this, many students are pursuing their PhDs in this lab. He left behind him a legacy for future generations of researchers.
पृथ्वी मोलाची तू चाल पुढं तुला रगड्या